And Kenneth, a little bit away from recruitment now, there was a news story this month that an AI-driven startup in insurance distribution, Zelros, has secured $11 million in financing. Zelros taps natural language understanding technology to capture information from voice conversations between policyholders and advisors or contact center reps. How will voice-enabled innovations like these change insurance distribution?
Natalie, it's interesting because distribution has always been the area where we've seen the highest level of insurtech investment, the highest level of innovation being pushed, right? And so I think we're continuing to see that now, in distribution as well. What I do think is interesting is that if you looked at what the innovations that were occurring in distribution, 5-10 years ago, they tended to actually be more focused on how can I create aggregator sites, how can I create direct and very fast shopping behaviors. And so in some ways, they were actually driving more of a commoditized view of insurance. Now, in Zelstar, you actually have a very interesting discussion about how are we going to use a distribution innovation to actually elevate personalization, how to elevate specialization, and really think about what it is that actually an insurance product really offers its consumer, how to match it, how to tailor it. So I think it's an interesting and a very positive turn to actually see a distribution innovation still very much in that space, but really now aiming towards the raising of an understanding of what is the value of this product, what is the nature of this product, and how does it best work for me. And using things like natural language to get away from, really insurance language, which a consumer may not really understand or want to engage in, and pivoting it into the experience that the consumer does understand. What are the interests of that consumer? What are they trying to protect? What are they trying to manage in terms of the controllable adversity around them? I think it's a very, very positive thing. And it's great to see distribution innovation that is actually targeted towards that higher degree of personalization, higher degree of value, being able to explain what it is that insurance can do for the consumer.